I'm Margie Remmers-Davis, creator of the fast and easy way to QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor certification. Now, I have helped thousands of people get their ProAdvisor certification by teaching them hands-on how to use QuickBooks Online. And after they get their certification, one of the questions that I get most frequently is, okay, now I'm certified, how do I get clients? Now, we are not a marketing company. That's not what we do. We are a training company. In fact, we don't even say that we're a training company. We say that we're a doing company. We are all about teaching you hands-on how to use QuickBooks Online. And so we only recommend one method for getting clients, and that's what I'm going to share with you today. Now, this method comes from a company called Bold House, which we have adapted for our use. It's called the 3-2-1 methodology, and we're using it with their permission. And let's talk about how it works. So 3 times a day, you are going to directly outreach to specific people. Now, that can be email, text, DM, phone call, whatever. 3 specific people. This is not putting up a flyer in your Chamber of Commerce or in your apartment lobby. This is not sending an email to everyone you know. We're just randomly posting something on social media, okay? This is directly outreach, directly reaching out to 3 people. And here's what you're going to say. You're going to say, hey, I am a QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor. Who do you know that I could connect with? Now, again, if you're not a ProAdvisor, become a ProAdvisor. It's super easy. We can help you. Fast and easy QBO. So get that ProAdvisor certification, and then you have that badge, you have that certification, and now all you have to do is you're going to reach out and tell people, hey, guess what? I'm now a ProAdvisor. And you're just asking them, who do you know that I could connect with? You're not selling your services. You're not trying to sign anybody up. This is not a big deal. You're just trying to get connections. You're just asking for, hey, who do you know that's a small business owner that uses QuickBooks Online? That's all it is, okay? So you're going to do that 3 times per day. Now, out of all that activity, so now you've reached out in a week, you've reached out to 15 people, and some of those people are going to know people, and other people are not going to know people, and other people maybe are going to ignore you and not get back to you. But of that, all of that activity, the goal is that you are going to 2 times per week connect to potential clients, okay? So who is a potential client? A small business owner that uses QuickBooks Online. That's it. Now, at this point, when you're connecting with them, they don't know you, so you're not going to try and sell them your services. You're not saying, hey, let me be your bookkeeper. You're not, nothing. All you're doing is you're saying, hey, I'm a QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor. Would love to stay connected in case you need any help. Okay, that's all you're doing. You're just introducing yourself. You're letting them know you're a QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor. You're just saying, I would love to stay connected, okay? Now, what does stay connected means? Well, it means you're going to connect with them on LinkedIn or another social media platform, but LinkedIn is like kind of where businesses hang out, okay? So typically you're going to connect with them on LinkedIn. You want to make sure that in LinkedIn, your bio says that you are QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor. Don't say you're a QBO ProAdvisor, okay? You want to say QuickBooks Online. People don't know what QBO means, okay? You want to put this in your byline. By putting it in your byline, that means everything you do reinforces the fact they will see that you are a QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor, okay? Now, you are going to post a couple of times a week. You're going to post a tip about QuickBooks Online in your social media, okay? If you need examples of those tips, there are marketing prompts in our QBO gym that you can earn, or you can go on our weekly live stream and get free marketing prompts that way, okay? So we give you marketing prompts that kickstart the types of things that you can say, and you can use those marketing prompts as is. Some people put them in Canva and make it a pretty little picture. Some people, we have one person who actually plugs it into ChatGPT and turns it into a full article, okay? Whatever you want to do with it, it's just a little nugget for you to then post on LinkedIn so that your audience sees it. In addition to that, you are going to like and comment on other people's posts. Now remember, by having that in your byline, every time you like or post, it's going to say, remember, it's going to say who you are. If you put in a comment, it's going to say, it doesn't just say your name, it says your byline. You're just reminding people that you are a QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor. Now, when you're commenting on other people's posts, you are not selling yourself. You're not saying, hey, saw your post. Don't you want to hire me for your bookkeeper? No, you're just going to be a normal, natural human being. Okay, so whatever they are posting about, you're just going to say, hey, looks good, like that. Oh, wow, that's really interesting. Or thanks for posting. Or, like something a normal, natural human being would say to a normal, natural human being. Okay, don't get weird about it. Okay, so you're just commenting. The thing is, you just want them to see you. You want them to see that you are there. And again, we're just putting out that flag that says, hey, I'm a QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor. In fact, in general, that's all you're doing is you're just waving your flag so that people know that you're the person that they can turn to when they need help, okay? One of the examples I always use is, how many realtors do you know, okay? The reason that you know so many realtors is because realtors constantly remind you that they are a realtor, okay? Like that's what they're always doing. And that's all this is you're just waving your flag so that when the time comes that somebody needs help, they oh yeah, I remember that person. Oh yeah, I connected with that person. In general, you're just trying to get them to know, like, and trust you, okay? All right. So once you have done that, the goal of now all of this activity is to, at a minimum, 1 time per month, do a diagnostic review. If you don't know how to do a diagnostic review, sign up for our cleanup course. Our cleanup course teaches you how to look in somebody's books, do a diagnostic review, price your services, and actually do the work of cleaning up the books, okay? So all of that's in our cleanup course. But if you are not ready to get the cleanup course, you can find other resources online for how to do a diagnostic review. There's other courses out there, there's videos out there, there's all sorts of resources for you to be able to do a diagnostic review or a consultation, okay? So, and the way that you're going to get the diagnostic review is you're just going to say, hey, I'm a QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor. Would you like me to take a look at your books and see how you're doing? Okay, that's all it is. It's very simple. Would you like me to take a look? And if you are in our cleanup course, you could even add, hey, I just finished a course on diagnostic reviews and I'm looking for people to practice. Okay, so all you're doing is you're getting yourself out there to be able to let people know, you're waving your flag, letting people know that you are a QuickBooks Online ProAdvisor and you're there to help. Now, one thing that some people say that they don't like is that the business owners reach out to them for questions when they really just want to do they don't want to just answer questions. They want to, or they don't want to give training. They want to just do the books. Okay. And here's how you handle that. You say yes. Okay. So you figure out if it's training they want, charge them for training. If it's a quick question, answer a quick question. There are some people who have open office hours. Hey, come talk to me, every Wednesday at noon. I'll be here happy to answer your questions, right? Make yourself available because here's the thing. Here is the thing. Your job is not to convince somebody that they need a bookkeeper, okay? The business owner is going to do it or have their niece or nephew do it as long as they can, okay? But as they grow, they're going to get to a point. If they are a successful business, all businesses at some point will have to find a bookkeeper. It's just the way it is. So what you're wanting to do is you're wanting to say, hey, I'm here. So when the business reaches that point, they know to reach out to you. Maybe they're never going to get to that point. And if they never get to that point, you don't want them as a client because they're not ready. They're going to think that you're too expensive. When a business is successful, okay, I am telling you, when a business is successful, they will hire a bookkeeper. They don't care how much it costs. Well, they care a little bit about how much it costs, but their willingness to pay for it is directly in relation to how badly they need it. And how badly they need it is directly related to how successful they are. So don't stress out. Don't stress out if a business isn't ready for you, okay? The point is to make yourself known, make sure that people know you're always active, you're always doing things, so that when the time is right, they will come calling. All right? And that's the 3-2-1 method. I can't wait to hear your success story.